And Dan, several aspects to the judge's ruling, but the main takeaway here is the judge upheld the fracking ban. 6 weeks after big oil and opponents of fracking litigated Measure Z in a Monterey courtroom, Judge Thomas Wills has handed down his ruling that has both pros and cons for oil drilling in South Monterey County.
The positive, though, that I think the majority of people looking at Measure Z were hoping to ban fracking, and the judge left in place the ban on fracking. So that still exists, at least for the time being.
Last year, voters approved Measure Z, which bans fracking in Monterey County, but it also put a ban on new oil and gas wells and wastewater injection. During the 4-day trial, attorneys for the oil companies argued state and federal law preempts local law. Judge agreed and struck down all the bans but fracking, ruling that since no fracking is currently happening in the county, oil companies have no legal standing to challenge a fracking ban.
We have no intention of doing fracturing operations in Monterey County. We never have. So I think a lot of people were misled by Measure Z, believing it was a hydraulic fracturing ban initiative, but it really went so much further, and the judge saw that.
Monterey County, which defended Measure Z in court, has yet to decide whether it plans to appeal the judge's ruling. The same with Big Oil, which may appeal the fracking ban. But the group that backed Measure Z, known as Protect Monterey County, says an appeal is in the works.
There are laws in California that allow local governance to have local authority over land use. So we are confident that in the higher court that we will be successful.
Now, the bottom line here is that oil operations in the oil fields of South Monterey County will continue unchanged, basically the status quo. Now, the judge's ruling, a very long one, more than 50 pages long. The county counselor for Monterey County says he wants to review the decision and its implications before presenting any findings to the Board of Supervisors, which will ultimately give direction to the county council as to whether or not he should appeal the judge's ruling. Dan, Aaron.
All right. Thank you very much, Felix. Now, if you'd like to read the judge's ruling in its entirety, it's on our website at KSBW.com. Now, meantime, the Trump administration is repealing a rule that would have set standards for fracking on federal land. Companies would have been required to say which chemicals they use in fracking and take a number of safety steps. However, the Interior Department now says the rule would be an unnecessary burden. Environmentalists say it can put people and wildlife at risk. They plan to challenge it in court.